Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to write a prompt on Instagram Notes. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and log in if you haven't already. Once you're on your news feed, look for the message icon in the top right corner and tap on it. Now, you're in the direct messages section, where you'll see all your chats and notes shared by friends. At the very top of the screen, you'll notice the notes and prompts shared by your friends. To write your own prompt, tap on the circle with your profile picture and select Leave a Note. A new screen will pop up, and you'll see the prompt icon at the bottom of your profile picture. Tap on it, and now you can type your question or prompt in the Write a Prompt box. You can even add an emoji to make it more fun. Once you're happy with your prompt, tap on the Add a Response box to type your answer. When you're ready, hit the Share button, and your prompt will be live. It will appear at the top of the Direct Messages section, and your friends and followers can respond to it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips.